Ever seen a velvet storm in the trees? Meet the African Green Pigeon. Not a parrot, a master of disguise. Watch how they vanish into the leaves. Can you even spot it? Nature's hide-and-seek champ. When danger's near, they freeze, blending perfectly. But they're not alone. These flocks can number in the hundreds. And what brings them together? Figs. Figs are their superfood, energy for flight, fuel for the forest. They eat the figs, fly, and plant new trees with every trip. Even their nests are a lesson in minimalism. Quiet birds, loud impact. The African green pigeon keeps the forest alive.